In this video, I will show you how you can turn off VoiceOver on your iPad Air. Now, if you have turned on VoiceOver on your iPad and if you want to turn it off, there are two methods to do so. Now, if the settings app of your iPad is not on the main page, you can navigate through the home screen using three fingers. Just swipe using three fingers on the screen and you will go to the next page. For the first method, just tap on the settings app to select it, then double tap to open. Now, under settings, just tap on accessibility, then double tap to enter. Over here, you will find the option for VoiceOver. Just tap on it to select it, then double tap to enter. Now just tap on the toggle to select it, then double tap to disable. And after you do that, you will disable VoiceOver on your iPad. Now there is also an easier method to do so. Now let's enable VoiceOver again. Now the second method is that you can use Siri to turn off VoiceOver. Now if you have enabled Hey Siri, you can either say Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver. As you can see, Siri has turned off VoiceOver from our iPad. And this is how you can turn off VoiceOver on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.